So here's another update. Got new concepts, one out OFC, smaller belt. I think I showed this in the last video already. But this Skyhawk Cardio Big 3 kit, the one out OFC, 320 amp alt. So I got pretty much everything. I just been waiting on my truck to get back from the transmission shop. It should be done today or tomorrow. Then I got Teramps TS400x4. It's gonna go on out speakers. I'm putting outside the truck. I'm having on a switch. 2 10-inch mids and a compression driver. Oh wait, here it goes. And then here go the mids. Alright, well, that's it.